In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change DNS on Windows 10. Changing your DNS server can help improve internet speed, reliability, and security, so it's a useful tweak to know. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type Network. From the results, click on View Network Connections. This will open the classic control panel window showing all available network connections. Next, locate your active internet connection. This is usually your Wi-Fi connection, but it could also be Ethernet if you're using a wired connection. You'll know it's active if you see signal bars or a connected status. Right-click on your active connection and select Properties. A new window will open with a list of items. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. In the next window, look for the DNS server address section. By default, it's set to Obtain DNS automatically. To change it, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter your preferred DNS servers. For example, you can use Google's public DNS. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. You can also use any other DNS provider you prefer. Once you've entered the values, click OK, then close all remaining windows to apply the changes. You may experience a brief internet disconnect while Windows updates the settings. This is completely normal and should resolve within seconds. And that's it. You've successfully changed the DNS settings on your Windows 10 computer. If your new DNS server is faster or more secure, you may notice improved browsing speed and better protection. You can always return to these settings later if you want to switch DNS servers again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Windows tutorials.